Resource person not point his finger at a member of the committee.
Kung sabihin ko, I will take full responsibility, pagdating tayo sa korte, hindi naman tatanggapin yan.
Chair, and if the resource person could keep his volume and pitch to a normal
Trying
level.
to pin me down on it.
Mr. Chair, you are pinned down by your own statements
you
of
cannot.
October.
You have to pin me
Mr.
down
Chair.
lower.
I'm not trying to pin you down
lawfully.
on air.
Exchanges are no longer productive.
Mr.
So it
Chair.
is
Do not pin me
suspended.
down on semantic.
Sabi nyo rin po kanina, you take full legal responsibility for the consequences of the drug war.
Yes.
Kanina rin, opo,
Yes.
kanina rin sabi nyo, maraming mali.
Walang maniwala na abogado sa akin yan. That
Hindi po
would be
sir,
a long shot.
hindi po abogado, nandito pa lang tayo
I
sa
was
Senado.
referring
sa Korte.
to the policy na ginawa ko para sa mga pulis.
Yes, sir.
Sabi
At
ko,
nagbunga
for that,
yung
I
policy
full
niya.
take full responsibility
Yes,
for
and
that.
what about yung
So
bungas?
before you rumble on the community,
No, I'm not rambling, Mr. Chair. Very specific yung mga tanong
hindi,
ko.
specific ang law.